Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can reach the frequently asked questions in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the FAQs and support button. And click on the FAQs button. And here you can see that there are many topics and categories that you can choose to receive help on. So for example, if you have some problem with your accounts or your subscription, just look for the suitable description, like I don't remember creating an account with Scribd, and then just click on that, and here you will find all the information and help on this specific problem that you have. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.